Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, friends. Nice to see you again.
Today's topic is exciting. We're going on a little English trip.
Yes, we're traveling together to the airport.
That's right. We're talking about English at the airport.
And don't worry, no flight delays here.
Yes, this is the smoothest flight ever. So, today we'll learn simple English words and sentences you can use at the airport.
When you check in, when you talk to staff, and when you go through security or boarding.
Step by step, so it's easy to remember.
And as always, slow, clear English.
But first, please subscribe to Fun English Duo and like this video.
It really helps our small English family grow.
Okay, Thomas, let's start our trip.
Bags ready? Passport ready?
And snacks ready.
Of course. You can't travel without snacks.
All right, step 1, arriving at the airport.
You can say, I'm going to the airport.
Or, I need to catch a flight.
I have a flight at 7 p.m.
I'm traveling to London today.
I'm flying to Delhi tomorrow morning.
Perfect short sentences.
When you arrive, the first thing you look for is the airline counter.
Right, for check-in.
You can ask, excuse me, where is the check-in counter for Air India?
Or, where can I check in for my flight?
And the staff might say, counter number 5, please.
Then you go there with your passport and ticket.
You can say, good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Or, hello, I have a flight to Dubai at 9 a.m.
The staff will ask for your passport. Can I see your passport, please?
You give it and say, here you are.
Polite and simple.
Now, at check-in, you might hear these questions.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
That means, do you want to send your big bag?
You can say, yes, I have one suitcase.
Or, no, I only have hand luggage.
Hand luggage means a small bag you carry with you.
Yes. Then they might ask, did you pack your bags yourself?
You can say, yes, I did.
Or, yes, I packed them myself.
Simple and honest answer.
Then, do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?
You can answer, yes, I have a laptop.
Or, no, just clothes.
Easy, right?
Yes, just listen carefully and reply calmly. After check-in, they give you your boarding pass.
You can say, thank you.
And they might say, have a nice flight.
That's a nice moment when you have your boarding pass in hand.
Yes, it feels like the trip is real.
Okay, step 2, security check.
You can say, where is the security check area?
Or, where do I go for security?
When you arrive there, the officer might say, please put your bag on the belt.
That's the moving belt that scans your luggage.
They might also say, please remove your laptop.
Or, please take off your shoes or belt.
Don't worry, it's normal. Just follow instructions.
Yes, stay calm and polite.
After that, you walk through the security gate.
If it beeps, they may say, please step aside.
Just follow their directions. Everything's okay.
Then you collect your bag and go to the waiting area.
And you can say, where is gate number 10?
Or, which way to gate 5, please?
Or, excuse me, how do I get to the boarding gate?
Good, polite questions.
Now, let's teach some simple airport vocabulary.
Okay, Let's go slowly.
Check-in counter.
Boarding pass.
Passport.
Suitcase.
Luggage.
Gate.
Terminal.
Flight.
Departure.
Arrival.
Boarding.
Delay.
Aisle seat.
Window seat.
Perfect. Easy but useful words.
You can make sentences like, my flight is delayed.
Or, I have a window seat.
My boarding gate is number 7.
My flight departs at 8 a.m.
And if you're late, you can say, oh no, I need to hurry.
Yes, the famous airport run. Now let's go to boarding announcements.
The voices from the speakers that no one understands fully.
Yes, they sound fast, but we can explain the key words.
For example, attention please. This is the final call for flight AI 201 to Dubai.
That means last chance. You must go to the gate now.
Yes, final call means hurry up.
Another one is passengers for flight BA110, please proceed to gate 6.
That means it's time to board.
Proceed to gate means go to your gate.
You might also hear, the flight is delayed by 30 minutes.
That means your flight will leave later.
Or, the flight is now boarding.
That means you can go inside the plane now.
Perfect explanations.
So, don't be afraid of airport English. You just need to know these few important phrases.
Exactly. Most staff speak slowly and are kind to travelers.
Thomas, do you remember your first flight?
Oh yes, I was nervous.
Smiling. What was the hardest part?
Understanding the announcements. I didn't know boarding or departure.
Warm. And now you teach them.
Life comes full circle.
My first flight was fun, but I almost went to the wrong gate.
Classic beginner traveler moment.
Yes, so now I always double check the gate number.
Good tip for everyone. Always check your boarding pass.
So, soft, friendly friends, we have learned how to check in, go through security, and understand announcements.
Yes, that's half of our airport journey.
Are you ready to board the plane with us?
Boarding pass in hand, passport in pocket. I'm ready, Captain.
Great, Thomas. Let's continue our English airport journey.
Okay, so we've checked in, gone through security, and now we're waiting near our gate.
Right. The announcement says, boarding now.
That means we can go inside the plane.
So, when you reach the gate, you show your boarding pass.
You can say, good evening, here's my boarding pass.
The staff might reply, thank you. Have a nice flight.
Or, enjoy your trip.
You can simply smile and say, thank you.
Easy and polite, short and clear.
After that, you walk into the plane.
You might hear, welcome aboard.
That means, welcome to the plane.
Teaching tone. Board means on the plane or ship.
Right. You can smile and say, thank you.
Now time to find your seat.
You can ask the flight attendant, excuse me, where is seat 14A?
They might say, it's near the window.
Or it's just down the aisle on your left.
Aisle means the walkway between seats.
Yes, not aisle like island, aisle with silent S.
Common mistake. Very common.
Okay, now you find your seat and put your bag in the overhead compartment.
That's the small cupboard above your seat.
The flight attendant might say, please place your bag under the seat in front of you.
Or, please fasten your seatbelt.
Teaching tone. Fasten means to close or secure.
You can reply, okay, or just smile politely.
Then you hear the announcement, please switch off your mobile phones or put them in airplane mode.
And you do that quietly.
Soft cuckle. No arguments, no selfies during takeoff.
Yes, safety first.
Now, let's talk about small conversations with the flight attendants.
You can say, "Excuse me, may I have some water?"
Or, can I get another pillow, please?
You can say, "Can I have some headphones, please?"
You can say, can I have some juice?
Always remember, please. It makes everything polite.
Yes. And when they bring it, say, thank you so much.
Kindness always sounds beautiful.
Sometimes they ask, chicken or vegetarian?
That's about your meal. You can reply, "Chicken, please."
Or vegetarian, please.
Or, "No meal for me, thank you."
Perfect.
During the flight, you can also ask small questions like, "How long is the flight?"
Or, when will we land?
Or, "Can I use the restroom now?"
The flight attendant might say, please wait until the seatbelt sign is off.
Explaining tone. The seatbelt sign is the small light above you. When it's on, stay seated.
Good explanation.
Now the flight is peaceful. Lights dim, people sleeping.
My favorite part, quiet sky time.
Yes, you can listen to music, read, or watch a movie.
Or just look out of the window. Clouds look like soft pillows.
True. Traveling feels like dreaming sometimes.
Yes. Now let's practice some simple sentences for the flight.
Excuse me, may I have some water?
Could I get another pillow, please?
I'm feeling a little cold.
Can I have a cup of tea, please?
Can you please tell me the time?
Is it okay to use the restroom now?
Great job.
So remember, excuse me and please are magic words on flights.
Yes, every polite sentence starts and ends with kindness.
True.
Okay, now we've landed.
Finally.
Finally. Time to talk about arrival English.
Right. When the plane lands, you hear, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off.
That means, wait, don't stand up yet.
Then they say, you may now collect your belongings.
Belongings means your things, your bags, your phone, your jacket.
Good vocabulary word.
You leave the plane and go to the immigration counter.
Immigration is where they check your passport and visa.
You can say, "Good morning."
The officer might ask, what's the purpose of your visit?
You can reply, "I'm here for vacation,"
Or, I'm here for business.
or "I'm visiting family."
Simple and true answers are always best.
They might also ask, "How long will you stay?"
You can say, for 1 week,
For 10 days.
for 2 months.
That's easy.
And then, where will you stay?
At a hotel,
With friends.
at my cousin's house.
Perfect. After immigration, you go to the baggage claim area.
That's where you wait for your big bags.
You can ask, where is the baggage claim area?
Or, which belt is for flight AI 101?
Soft teaching. Each flight has a belt number where the bags arrive.
Right. You can also ask staff, has the luggage from Dubai arrived?
Or, my bag hasn't arrived yet.
Can you please help me find it?
Excellent.
Once you find your bag, you go to the exit.
You might see signs, customs, exit, or nothing to declare.
Nothing to declare means you don't have anything special to report.
Yes, most travelers go through that gate.
Finally, you come out and see your family or driver waiting.
Smiling warmly. That's the best part, the happy reunion.
Yes, long hugs and smiles.
Traveling teaches patience and English too.
True.
So, friends, today we learned how to speak English at the airport from check-in to arrival.
Yes, real conversations, simple vocabulary, and polite travel English.
Try to repeat these sentences at home, slowly, with feeling.
You can even pretend you're traveling. Pack your bag and practice aloud.
That's a great exercise.
And remember, even if you travel alone, English can be your travel buddy.
Beautifully said, Thomas.
Thank you, Captain Sarah.
Friends, thank you for flying with Fun English Duo Airlines.
We hope you enjoyed your safe, peaceful journey.
Keep learning English
Keep smiling.
and keep traveling with confidence.